There you go. Who's that? Is that Tiger?
Yeah.
Can you say Tiger?
Yeah.
Rawr.
Yeah.
Is that monkey?
Wow.
Penguin? Is that a butterfly? Can you say butterfly? Butterfly. Is that a rabbit? Pet the rabbit? Can you say rabbit? Rabbit. Fish! Yay! Is it pretty fish? Can you say fishy? Fishy. Say hi, fishy. Say hi, rabbit. Hi, rabbit. Where's Momo? Where'd he go? Say move, Mo. Where is he? Uh-oh. Say move, Mo. Where is he? Move, Mo. Where is he? You don't know? Where's Mo? I don't know. Say move, Mo. Move, Mo. Where is he? I don't know. You can get your tiger? Where's your tiger? Down the IC. Can you get him?
Hello, my name is Marilyn, and I recently lost my husband of 35 years, Billy, to mesothelioma lung cancer.
Bye-bye, Ryan.
Billy suffered with mesothelioma for 4 years before he lost his battle. Through my experiences as his caregiver, I put together
Ryan, where's your dog?
that contains information about treatment options, pain control, medical care,
Is your doggy in your toy box? Where's your toy box?
For a free copy of this booklet,
You can do it. You can get up there.
6,000.
We're all looking for it.
Push.
Some of us have been looking our whole lives.
Ryan, go look in your toy box. Go look in your toy box.
What they're looking for. But we all feel it. Alex, you know what it is.
Why don't you pick your chair up?